What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be analyzing Cloud9's pistol strat against EnvyUS on cash. So, looking into this, we're gonna see 4 armors and or 3 armors and a smoke on Sean Gares and a full nade set on nothing. So I'm gonna let the round play out, then I'm gonna talk about it. Okay. Give me a sec. Okay. So, what we saw Cloud9 do there was play the trade game. And trading, if you guys don't know what it is, it's basically kill for kill. Like, let's say, let me give an example real quick. Let's say, let's pause this real quick. Okay, let's say I have a teammate coming out of A main, and there's a CT here. Actually, you know what? We'll use blue. There's a CT here, and I'm right behind my teammate. If this CT kills my teammate right here, I'm in a position to trade this guy. And what that means is I let my teammate die so I can kill this guy. And trades are usually going to be in the favor of the terrorist side. And this is what we saw when Cloud9 was coming into this bomb site. We saw Freakazoid get an entry on the quad guy. He kept going. There's, I think it was NBK right here with his nade out. And then nothing right here. Threw a nade over. I don't know, not sure if he killed him, but whatever. Let's look into this. I kind of want to keep an eye on Freakazoid this round. This entry was pretty huge that he got. So we see they're all grouped up in A main. Freakazoid's gonna get that entry. And BK had a nade out. As you see, like, they're coming into here and they're trying to trade with each other. They're trading their way into the bomb site. And sometimes as a terrorist team, you're gonna need to do that. You're gonna have to let some people die. You're never gonna survive with 5 people alive in most rounds. Especially in pro matches, of course. Let's let this round play out. Keo runs through that smoke. He dies. Shocks. He gets killed by nothing, I think. I believe so. Yeah. So, again, let's watch it. Let's just watch this raw. I'm just gonna let the round play out. We're gonna watch this from NBK's point of view. NBK gets ready to throw a nade. So that's basically how you're gonna want to play trades, especially as a T-side team. You just saw Cloud9, they just went out there, they did what they had to do, they got the kills, some of them died, they won the round at the end of the day. That's all that matters. Doesn't matter about the deaths. Alright, so this has been a Cloud9 pistol round analyst. I think that's the right word. Yeah, whatever, we'll leave it at that. thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please drop a sub, maybe like and comment. Anything's appreciated. But yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys later.